Good morning. Today I am going to give you your phonics lesson. What we are learning are the phonics. The standard is KRF2. And I actually, if you were actually moms and dads or grandmas and grandpas, if you guys were going to be looking at the actual standard, there's like 5 different parts of the standard that we're working on. Today we're going to talk about the E, letter E part of it, okay? That is the rhyming and the word families. All right, so last week we had started on at and app. This week we are going to work on ugh, which I know that you guys have already started with Miss Murphy earlier in the week. And today we're going to work on un. All right, so remember the line there means that we can put any old letter there and it can make a new word, whether it's a real word or a nonsense word. Okay, so those are our un, and that's kind of where that word family comes in, that you can replace any of these first letters and you can make a new word. Okay, so with un, we know that sun is a word, run is a word, bun, cinnamon bun for me, one of my faves, and fun, all right, jumping for joy, super excited, maybe it's a birthday or something like that. Okay, what I want us to do today is to come up with some words and write some sentences. Okay, so now when we're writing our sentences, remember, we have to start all of our sentences with a capital, okay? We have to have finger spaces in between the words. That's how I know that this is a word, this is a word, this is a word, right? And it also just makes it so much easier to read when we're writing it for somebody else. Okay, and when we end a sentence, we need a period. Okay, the first sentence that I have is I like the sun. All right, everybody say that with me. I like the sun. Nice job. Now you can write that down on a piece of paper. I was going to show you guys that at the end. You're going to just write this on any old piece of paper. Okay, the next sentence says we run for fun. Kind of rhymes, huh? Ends with this period there as well. Everybody read it with me again. We run for fun. Nice job. All right, go ahead and write that down. And also, if you need to, stop and pause the video at any time if that's going too quickly for you. Okay, the last sentence that I wrote is I love to have fun in the sun. All right, everybody read that with me one more time. I love to have fun in the sun. Nice job. Now you're going to write that down. And notice with all of these sentences, these are all words that we know. There are power words that we should know how to write and that we should know how to read. Okay? Now your job, after you've written those 3 sentences that we already have on the chart, is to come up with 2 more sentences using some unword. It can be a made-up word. It can be one of the words that we've already used. It is up to you. Remember, capitalizing the beginning of your sentence. You need to have your finger spaces so that anybody can read it. And then a period at the very end. Remember what our challenge was for this coming week as well, right? Yes. I can't even remember what our challenge was. I think we needed 3 assignments. Yes, screenshotting 3 different assignments. So if you turned in this one, that would be one of them. And then if you did a writing one, that would be another one, or a math one. Okay, so 3 assignments that you guys do this week and take a screenshot of it and send it to me. You will get a shout out on one of our YouTube videos. Okay, all right, have fun writing and coming up with some really great sentences.